The Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services is an autonomous institution set up by Ministry of Earth Sciences of the Government of India, with vision to emerge as a knowledge and information technology hub for the oceanic realm. INCOIS is to develop ocean value chains, which comprises of ocean observations, data management, modeling, forecasting and services that benefit the society in large under its various flagship programs such as Tsunami Early Warnings, Ocean State Forecast, Swell Surge, INCOIS IMD Joint Bulletins, Storm Surge Warning Services, Small Vessel Advisory Services, Marine Heat Waves, Search and Rescue Support, Oil Spill Trajectories, Multi-Hazard Vulnerability and Coastal Vulnerability. In addition, INCOIS also provides ecosystem services like potential fishing zone advisory, harmful algal blooms, coral bleaching, water quality, nowcasting, monitoring pollution, along with customized services for the merchant ships, the Navy and the Coast Guards. All these services beneficial in saving lives of the coastal population, and each of them are designed to enhance safety and efficiency of operations. Also enables the community ready for oceanic disaster. We have adopted the latest technologies to understand oceanic patterns, and to make things convenient, all our services are available on a touch of the button. The total benefits to all the stakeholders has been $3.7 trillion per year. Even it has greatly reduced carbon emissions in the atmosphere. Along with these national services, INCOIS also provides ocean services to various international community. After INCOIS completes its Silver Jubilee milestones, continued its successfully journey towards delivering new products and services through scientific advancement and global leadership in operational oceanography.
Marine resources, we have certain natural advantages over others. And therefore, coming back to the tragedy of 2004, today Indian tsunami early warning system is being held with a great amount of credibility across the world. And therefore, I think to be brief, as we move on and we plan ourselves for India 2047, of course, we'll have to utilize to the maximum the resources which were not utilized, because how else is going to be the value added? We were fragile 5, now today first 5, then we have to move on to 3, of course, which will happen in next few years when we are at 5 trillion economy. But then to move on to 1, we'll have to add substantial value. So as I said, these are some of the resources. But at the same time, while exploring these resources, equally important would be to preserve the resources that are already existing. And therefore, your role becomes bidimensional. You are, on the one hand, helping India to explore the unexplored resources through a wider mandate of the Ministry of Earth Sciences and the Ocean Science. And at the same time, you are also helping India to preserve the resources by preparedness. If not possible to predict, they say forewarning is half a warning. So at least you are indulging in that. So you are actually serving the cause of Viksit Bharat 2047 more than one level. And as has been mentioned repeatedly by Prime Minister also, that each and every citizen should be contributing to the making of that century India. I would say every citizen, every asset and every resource ought to contribute. And to that extent, I think you will have the satisfaction that INCOIS also contributed to the making of India 2047. Thank you.
We also realize our responsibility in the role we play in saving time, money and lives. INCOIS, using science and technology for what it was meant to serve: humanity.